Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you expert-level insights on the best beauty products out there. Today, we're taking a look at something that's been getting a lot of buzz for its promise to repair and rejuvenate, the Pevonia Micro-Retinol Essential Serum. Whether you're already familiar with retinol or new to the ingredient, this serum claims to do wonders for your skin. So let's dive into whether it really delivers. Pevonia is a brand known for its luxurious skincare formulations, and this serum is no exception. It's packed with micro-retinol, a highly concentrated form of retinol, designed to target the visible signs of aging. This powerful serum is marketed as a solution for skin that needs a bit of a lift, helping to smooth, firm, hydrate, and brighten. It's also ideal for sensitive skin, as it's formulated to be gentle yet effective. One of the main draws of this product is the micro-retinol. For those who aren't familiar, retinol is a powerful ingredient often used in anti-aging skincare. It encourages skin cell turnover, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and pigmentation. The micro-formulation in this serum aims to deliver the same benefits, but in a way that's more suited for sensitive skin types. I've been using this serum for a few weeks now, and I have to say, it's been a surprisingly gentle experience for something so potent. Right from the first application, the texture was smooth and lightweight, absorbing quickly without leaving any greasy residue. The scent, which is aloe-based, is light and fresh, not overpowering at all, which is a nice touch for those who are sensitive to fragrance in skincare. Over time, I started to notice a difference. My skin felt more hydrated and noticeably smoother after the first few uses, but it wasn't until about 2 weeks in that I started seeing the brightening effects. The serum claims to even out skin tone, and I do believe it's doing just that. My complexion feels more radiant, and I've noticed some fine lines around my eyes appear less pronounced. Now onto the practical side of things. This serum is easy to incorporate into your routine, and a little goes a long way. Just a few drops are enough for your entire face, which makes this 1 fallout bottle feel like it'll last quite a while. However, if you have really dry skin, you might want to follow up with a heavier moisturizer, as I did that some extra hydration was needed to lock in the benefits. As for any drawbacks, the price might be a concern for some. At its price point, this serum falls into the higher end of the market, and while it delivers solid results, you could find other retinol serums that provide similar benefits at a lower cost. That said, if you're after a product specifically designed for sensitive skin, this is a good option, as many other retinol products can be too harsh. Comparing this to other high-end retinol serums, Pevonia's version stands out in terms of its formulation for sensitive skin. Brands like Obagi and Dr. Dennis Gross offer similar retinol-based products, but they can sometimes be a bit too strong for sensitive skin types, especially for those new to retinol. If your skin tends to react to retinol, Pevonia's Micro-Retinol Essential Serum is a great choice because it provides the benefits without the irritation. As for the packaging, the serum comes in a sleek glass bottle with a dropper, which makes for easy, controlled application. The design feels luxurious, and the dropper dispenses just the right amount of product, ensuring there's no waste. In terms of customer support, Pevonia has a reputation for excellent customer service, offering prompt responses to inquiries and support when needed. It's always reassuring to know that the brand stands behind their products, and that's certainly been the case here. Now, is it worth the investment? If you're looking for an anti-aging serum that's specifically formulated for sensitive skin, this is definitely a product to consider. It's not the cheapest option on the market, but if you want something that targets aging signs without irritating your skin, Pevonia's Micro-Retinol Essential Serum does a solid job. For those on a tighter budget, you might want to explore some of the more affordable options from brands like The Ordinary or CeraVe, which also offer effective retinol products, although they may not be as tailored for sensitive skin. In summary, Pevonia's Micro-Retinol Essential Serum delivers on its promises of smooth, firm, and hydrated skin. It's a great option for anyone with sensitive skin who's looking to incorporate retinol into their routine without the irritation that often accompanies it. I'd recommend it to those with a bit of extra room in their skincare budget who are specifically concerned with fine lines and skin texture. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've tried this product, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.